and welcome to my channel. My name is Piet. You're watching Piet J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going on with the Countach build. And I've got all the parts that we are doing, connecting on ready. I've got the parts at the ready down there. So let's get straight into this build and start this beautiful build. Okay. I've got the build guides here, and we're starting with stage 55, the bonnet number 2. Beautiful grills for the side of the bonnet. We've got V screws and H screws, and I need to write down which one is which, otherwise you cannot find it later. And that sticker. So we've got two sticky pads to put on per side, and it's coded left and right there. You can see in that corner, you can see an L, or as for this side, okay, we're not putting on that, but on this. So we're going to put these double-sided tapes right there and there, so that these things stay in there. You do need a tweezer for that, so get your tweezer out. That's one, and we do have a spare because we have 5 of them. So we've taken that, and then we're going to take the backing off on both sides, and then we're going to put it on and screw it on. Alright, let's see what kind of screws we are going to put in. Let's put the backing on this side as well, and we pushed it on. Alright, so 2.4, we've got quite a few of those, so we will probably be using those. And it's all into metal, so you put the tip in a bit of oil. That just helps you with getting that screw in all the way. Alright, we've got that in. Then we're going to get these out. Alright, pretty obvious. Smallest goes down here, then the bigger one, and then the largest of the 3. We've done that already with that cap, so we're going to do the same thing again here. So put some extra glue there because that is loose, and we'll find out. It looks to be good, but I hope it doesn't whitewash, otherwise I can always paint it matte black again. This is a bit strange. I had 2 parts, 2 pieces of that tape on one side, double-sided tape on one side. So 1 piece there, and then over that a little piece as well. So that is what we have. Have a look at that. And that needs to go somewhere. I don't know where. And that side is on as well, and that finishes this stage off, and we're going to again, check the bags before you chuck them. You don't want to lose anything. So, one of the air ducts. This is the left side. These are both left. Alright, that is just checking whether or not everything is in the right position. Then, as you can see right there, there's a sticker on that. We're going to get that off. And if you look at the patterns there, you'll see that there are patterns. You cannot put it in on any other way. Push them together properly. Is that all we do? Yep, that's all we do. So we're gonna put it. I'm gonna put it all there, and we're gonna go to the next stage. I've always thought that preparing everything and putting everything at the ready was the right thing to do, but I now know that it's the best thing to open up the bags just before you're gonna do something about it. So that's left, that's left. So we're doing a big part, which is the side of the car where the air ducts are in. Bertone emblem is there as well. There's a light there as well. Wow, this is looking good. All right, let's get that out as well. There's a little bit of dirtiness on that. I've gotten advice to just use a bit of turtle wax for red cars in this case, and make sure that those points get into the right position. So you push that in right there. So we've pushed that in right there, which is putting that one on, like so. It's becoming the big car that it was. We're putting this the two, what was it? Yeah, the 2.6 times 6 screw in, and that's connected properly, and you've got the Countach look that is so familiar. Then we turn it around. We put that one on. It's hardly visible, but we're using the same screw, the end screw that we got in this pack, the 2.6 times 6, 2.6 times 6. We're going to this point here, and if you look at those points, sorry, those holes, we're pushing them over those points, those pegs. Wow, as you can see, that one's there. All right, that's in as well. And the last thing we do is go back to this one again. Okay, there you go, over that and those 2 points, as you can see right there. Yes, and then we're putting some more of those 2.6 times 6 screws in there. That is good looking and big. All right, we have that one, and then we're supposed to put the left one in, like so, and these have points again as we have seen before, and you push them in like so. Have a look if the pegs are through, and they are on the other side. And that is this stage complete. We are going to the next. I'm going to start with this one because we know what we have to do there. We push them together thoroughly. And remember from the last time, that's all we do in this stage. And 59 is a repeat of what we have already done earlier, so we know what is going on here. That is what we have, just like the other side. Have a look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Oh, this is a quick one as well, which is the window in the rear view mirror. And as we're not putting them on yet, I'm going to leave that for the next one, because I'm making a rear view mirror. Yeah, nothing. I'll put that on in a later stage. So this is this pack done. There we go, something like that. But that is this stage and this pack done, which it was a lot quicker than the previous pack we done. The only thing I've not done is stage 60, because I'm keeping that, and we're just making the rear view mirror. And the best thing is to keep it safe, is to leave it in the pack as it is. So we've done 55 to 59, and 60 we do have, but I'm leaving it because yeah, it keeps safer and it's better for that to stay in there. But I want to thank you. So that was that, and it's a beautiful build. Have a look at those sides, the wheel arches. This isn't the wheel arches, it's the whole side of the back side of the car, two of them. Beautiful pieces. I love this. Is an iconic car anyway. But have a look at the my channel. There are some other very nice cars as well. An iconic one as well is the yellow one you can see in the background. And I've got quite a lot more. So please like, subscribe, and pass it on. Check out my channel, and hope to see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.